Pleasant morning to everyone wherever you're watching from. And I hope the universe sent you guys a great blessing. So to the one that is just joining me today, to the one that has been here for a while, I promise you guys this video I will make it worth a while. And I thank the Almighty God for making this video possible. So today what are we talking about? What are we talking about? Today we are talking about triple underscore S3. Well, triple underscore S3 is a business unit, a business function, you know, an area of production. We have our specialization. We are into fashion, photography, laundering, sales, printing. I'm a property agent, just to mention a few. So, regarding any business orientation, anything legit, anything that has to do with, you know, something fulfilling, something that will source out income, streams of income. I am into it. So I'm doing this video because there are some of us out there that we have this business idea but we don't know how to go about it. If your business is related to anything that I've just mentioned, or even if it's out of the box, I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number on this video. You can chat me up. Let's dialogue on whatever it is the business is. So today I'll be talking about my base, the area of my specialization. I'll be breaking it down for you guys. So the number one thing I base off, I think that's my handwork. I'm a fashion designer. I'm actually putting on a sample of my products and I deliver detailed job. So these are some of the samples that I've made so far. And you can actually check me on Instagram triple underscore story to check some of my samples. And at the same time, I'm into printing. I'll be making a couple of videos on how to start printing from home, how to make money from printing. Printing is not stressful. It's just for you guys to know how it's being done. That's just it. It's just for you to get the knowledge of how it's been done. What's the price tag like? When someone charge or when you have a job, a particular job like this, how do you go about it? I'll be making a video on that. So talking about photography as well, I've covered a couple of events that are lost count. So these are some of the events I've actually gone to, professional events, different occasions like that. So talking about sales as well, I sell, I buy. When it comes to buying and selling, I am an icon. I'm this kind of a person that I freelance products. When you have something that is quite difficult for you to sell, as long as it is a product and it is useful, just channel it to me. Yes, I have this mindset of conversing the product to a client. I we definitely have a sale, and from there we disburse cash. So talking about um talk show, yeah, I want my channel to be the kind of a channel that will be kind of catchy. In this recent environment that we are in, a lot of us are going through a lot of things, but something we really can't talk about is it the day-to-day activity will go on, talking about the love life, what the relationship will have with God, the business itself, how do we, approach different business with different mindsets, and human being itself, the human being, the anatomy of what it is to be human, the fear, the anxiety, depression, emotion, things like that. I'll definitely, buttress on things like that in another video. This my channel is actually a kind of channel whereby you can, you know, have a multitasking idea of this is what this thing is all about, this is what this thing is all about. I like challenging myself a lot. And at the same time, I will employ you all that are watching me from wherever you're watching me from. It's a beautiful thing to challenge yourself because the more you challenge yourself, the more you are more open to things that you don't know. So, talking about the property agent, um, the property agent is not something difficult. The number one thing I think you should do is you have to register your company or you register with someone that is licensed and that has many years of experience in property management. And where I think we fetch lots of money most is sales of properties. I've been able to, um, get more than enough from this property agent of a thing just by me becoming an agent. And if the property goes for this particular amount, this is my cut, and my cut is my cut. So, there are a lot of us out there that we are probably thinking before we can actually make money, we have to go through a series of training, you have to be this skillful. No, I just have to give you the principles of this, business ideas. And when you have this principle, the principle is the power, that will strike a balance on how you can achieve your business idea. So this is all what I have for this video, and with these little things that I've said, I hope you've been able to get one or two. So if you have anything at all to say, you can kindly drop it on the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. So I'll be dropping the next video, and my next video will definitely be on money. What is money? I need money. I know for sure we all need money. As it is over here, it is 2 a.m. in the morning. I wouldn't be doing it if not for the love of money. But as it is, the love of money is something crazy. So I'll definitely be making a video. The next video I'll be making will definitely be on money. So I hope you've been able to, and I'm thanking you as well for committing your time to watch this video. So watch out for my next video. Thanks for watching.